Buick Saturday. Getting near the end of January here. I was able to get a few things done today. I was able to get my wiper on-off switch back together, and I got my new vacuum hoses here routed, and I don't know how long they need to be, so I just left the length there for later. And I also installed most of my cables. Now one of them I'm pretty sure I'm going to take off again and mount it to because it's the left firewall vent and it goes up behind the heating duct work, so I'm probably going to hook it up on that end first. But for right now, I had them all labeled. I want to get them on there. I cleaned them, lubricated them. Everything's functional. Got all my knobs on. Everything works nice and smooth. And on the gauge cluster, this is not the original gauge cluster. Mine, when I took the temp sender out of the block, I busted it. So this is one I got a long time ago. And I did test everything but the charge and discharge, the amps. One thing nice about these old senders is you don't need no stinking electricity. Oh, got this, there it goes. Just put it in some hot water. Still going up a little bit. It's not that hot, just out of the faucet, so. Got a lot of glare here, holy cow. Anyway, I'll get some snow and put it in the jar and try it. Now, a lot of you guys don't have snow outside. You have to go to the freezer and get some ice, but here in Illinois, I just got to go through my side door of my garage and scoop some up. I'll be right back. Alright, I just scooped up some snow. We'll pop that in there. We'll see what happens. Whoa, that didn't take long. Holy cow. That reacts rather quickly. Still going down a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. Well, there you go. I checked the oil pressure gauge. Now the fuel gauge was a real issue. I thought that I had a really good sender here. It used to work. Hooked that thing all up. Very simple electrical circuit, you know, it's not a no-brainer here, you know. Ground everything and away you go. And I got nothing. So I was getting really frustrated. I actually tried the other gauge set. I couldn't get that to work, and I dug around. I found this old rusty, crusty piece here, and of course, guess what? That one works fine. So there's something wrong with this one. I don't know what it is, but anyway, to make a long story short, I'm going to have to somehow clean that one up and use it, I guess. But yeah, this thing threw me for a loop. I don't know what's going on with it. I think this is the one that was in one bid, and it did work, so I don't know. Can't remember now, but that was the one that was in that tank, but it's not working out. This one is working. So I was able to get some stuff done. Could have wished I got more done, but figuring out all the cables, the lines, and I did go through this vacuum. I took it all apart, cleaned it, lubricated it, put it back together, and it seems that the washer part works fine. It seems like it's blocking the air, so that's good. Got the knobs on, so everything's looking good. I got a little bit more to go, and then I got to start on the firewall and the cowl trim and windshield wipers and everything else.